Hold the extension table firmly and pull it off to the left. Take out the bobbin case holding the latch. Take out bobbin. When installing the bobbin case, the pin on the case should fit into the gap of the shuttle race. Pull up the spool pin. Place a spool of thread on the spool pin. Pull the thread out from the spool. Place it through the thread guide. Place bobbin onto the bobbin wider shaft with end of thread coming from top of bobbin. Push bobbin winder shaft to the right until it clicks. Turn on the sewing machine. The bobbin starts winding when the foot pedal is lightly pressed. Trim the excess thread from the head of the line. The bobbin will automatically stop turning when completely filled. Push shaft to the left to remove bobbin and cut thread. Install the bobbin into bobbin case and pull the thread into the groove in the bobbin case slot. When you pull the thread, leave about 4 inches of the thread hanging out of the bobbin case. Turn the hand wheel to raise the take-up lever to its highest point. Pull up the spool pin. Place a spool of thread on the spool pin. Pull the thread out from the spool. Place it through the thread guide. Draw thread down into the tension area and around the check spring holder. Firmly draw thread up and through take-up lever from right to left. Then draw thread down and slip it into the lower thread guide. Draw thread down and slip it into needle bar thread guide. Raise the needle to the highest point. Lower the presser foot. Pull down the lever while holding the end of the thread. Rotate the lever to the rear of the machine. Guide thread into hooked end and pull the thread upward. Release the lever and pull the thread away from you. Raise the presser foot. Turn the hand wheel until the needle goes down. Continue turning the hand wheel until the take-up lever is at its highest position. Pick out the bottom wire. Pull 6 inches of both thread back and under the presser foot. There are a total of 24 stitches here. Set the pattern selector dial to D. Set the stitch length dial to SS. When the foot pedal is pressed lightly, the set pattern will be sewn. Set the pattern selector dial to E. Set the stitch length dial to 001. When the foot pedal is pressed lightly, the set pattern will be sewn. Raise the needle by turning hand wheel toward you. And pull 6 inches of both thread back and under the presser foot. When using the backstitch function, make sure that a straight stitch is selected. Lower the presser foot. For fastening the ends of seams, press the reverse stitch lever continuously and sew several reverse stitches. Continue turning the hand wheel until the take-up lever is at its highest position. Raise the presser foot and remove the fabric, and cut the appropriate length of thread for starting the next seam. Drawing the threads to back. Remove the accessory box. Open the cover plate and take out bobbin. Open the shuttle race cover holders. Remove the shuttle race cover and the shuttle. Clean the shuttle race with soft cloth and a brush. Assembly the shuttle race after cleaning and put back the accessory box. Remove the needle plate, set screws, and remove the needle plate. Clean out dust and lint clogging on the feed dog teeth with a brush. After cleaning, restore the disassembled parts.